Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a related products slider in your Shopify store. So in most of the cases when you are exploring the related products, you will find out that we have multiple products but we don't have any slider in that. I will show you step by step that how you can implement this feature into your Shopify store. So right now on my screen you can see that this is product page, and as you know that in each single product page we have related products. I am scrolling down to the bottom and here you can see that we have related products section, and in this section I have chosen to display multiple products. For example 14 products, so all are displaying like this, but I am interested to display them as a slider. So how we can do that? Firstly, you should go back to the dashboard, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. If you have any other free themes, then still you can actually follow these steps, and if you are using any paid theme, then you can try this, and if this doesn't work, then you can message me or write in the comment section, so I will create a video or maybe I will help you out directly. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, because you should have a fresh backup of your theme later on if you want to restore, so you can do that. And once you are done with this, then again click on these three dots and click on edit code. And here on this edit code we have multiple folders and multiple files. So here you can see that we have multiple folders and files. So we need to click on sections because we are going to deal with related products section. Scroll down and you will find out that we have related products.liquid, and here we have all the code which is actually reflecting in the front end. So let me show you. If you are clicking on customize, and let me go back to any product so that I could able to give you an example. So let's say I am selecting this product, and if I'm scrolling down, you can see here that we have this related product section. And as you know that this related product section is directly connected with Shopify backend. So mostly Shopify is recommending those related products. So we cannot make any changes related to products. Otherwise we can actually add a featured collection, but here we cannot add featured collection because these products are loading from the Shopify algorithm. So right now I have chosen maximum products to show 10 and number of columns on desktop is 4. So how we will deal with this so that these all products should display as a carousel or maybe slider. So I have already written the code. You only need to copy and paste the code. So let me show you. I have this code. I'm going to copy it and then go back, click here, code, delete it and replace it with the latest code which I have updated, and then save the changes. So once you save the changes, then currently you can see that this is the situation. If I'm refreshing the page, scroll down to the bottom, and here we go. Now you can see that all these products are displaying as a slider. If you will click here, you can see that these products are looking like a slider. So this thing actually you can implement for your store as well, because in this here you can see that we have mobile view. So this looks so beautiful, and you can implement this same thing into your Shopify store so that it will be more attractive. All right, so that's how you can add this feature into your Shopify store. And I have also implemented one more concept. I will be uploading one more video. So basically I have added these images swatches here. So this is also a kind of slider which you can see here. Actually this image is not displaying because the product has not that specific image. And basically you can also do like, you can scroll using this, or maybe you can directly use these arrows. So the concept is that these images are related products, or maybe you can see that linked products. So we have multiple products. So if you are interested to connect some of the products to this product, so you can do that using meta field, and through coding we can deal with and display all of them as a image, display all of them as an image swatch. So once you are clicking any of this, you will be redirected to a new product. So here you can see that we have these products. If you are clicking on this for example, so you will be redirected to this product. So basically we are interlinking the products to each other. And in that way we can actually generate sales. Why? Because we have multiple, we are because we are providing multiple options to our customers. So let me know if you need something like that. And in the previous videos, I have also added a lot of sections. So in the coming videos also, I will be creating more attractive sections which you can actually add up in your Shopify store. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. You can also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.